Nobody likes mopping. From buckets full of dirty water to unsanitary and gross mop fibers, it's a labor-intensive job in dire need of an upgrade. Luckily, robotic mops are here to make your life easier. All you have to do is fill the tank, press start, and let them do their thing. You can control some of them by phone or voice, and some even as robotic vacuum cleaners. We've rounded up the best models based on reviews and user experiences to help keep your floors sparkling. In our quest for a product that delivers exceptional value for your investment, we are excited to highlight the Bissell SpinWave 2-in-1 robotic mop and vacuum as the best value option in 2024. This innovative device boasts a dual-tank cleaning system, enabling you to seamlessly switch between powerful vacuuming and active mopping of your floors. When operating in vacuum mode, it employs a comprehensive triple-action cleaning approach. This includes dual rotating edge brushes, a spinning brush roll, and robust suction power reaching up to 1500 PA, ensuring thorough pickup on both carpets and hard floors. For mopping, its rotating pads diligently scrub and polish floors such as hardwood, tile, linoleum, and other types of sealed hard flooring. Notably, the SpinWave is equipped with a sensor designed to prevent it from mopping soft surfaces like carpets, offering peace of mind during wet cleaning sessions. Moreover, this device doesn't just clean your home, it also contributes to the well-being of pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, dedicated to saving homeless pets, aligning your purchase with a noble cause. Included with a SpinWave, you'll find a generous package, an 8-ounce bottle of multi-surface cleaner, an additional set of reusable mop pads, an extra edge cleaning brush, and a spare dustbin filter. With up to 1500 PA of suction in vacuum mode, it effortlessly removes pet hair, dust, and other debris from low-pile carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Bissell estimates the battery life at an impressive 100 minutes, providing ample time for both vacuuming and mopping tasks. Although it's a competent vacuum, the SpinWave truly shines in its mopping capabilities, efficiently sweeping and mopping in one go. Thumbs up! Introducing the Samsung Jetbot Mop, a standout choice for the best mid-range robot mop in 2024. This device may lack some of the advanced features found in its pricier counterparts, like app integration or voice command capabilities, yet it excels with straightforward operation and the unique ability to clean walls, making it a compelling option for many. Sporting a sleek, compact frame at 15.0 by 9.3 by 9.0 inches, the Jetbot Mop maneuvers effortlessly beneath furniture and into snug areas, proving to be an excellent fit for smaller living spaces, including apartments. Within its packaging, the Jetbot Mop includes 4 wiping pads, 2 crafted from green microfiber for unmatched wiping efficiency, and 2 made from gray mother yarn, perfect for tackling spills and trapping dust hidden in nooks. Samsung highlights the microfiber's exceptional cleaning prowess and the mother's yarn's effectiveness in more demanding scenarios. The device comes with a user-friendly remote control, presenting 8 distinct cleaning modes to cater to every need: auto, edge, focus, intensive, pattern, step, 50 minutes, and manual. The manual mode grants you direct control over the mop's movement via the remote's directional buttons. Setting up the Jetbot Mop is a breeze. Simply unbox, charge, and initiate cleaning with a press of the start button on the remote. Thanks to its dual water tanks and durable battery, this robot mop delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning without needing a water refill and can operate for as long as 100 minutes on a single charge, efficiently removing dust, dirt, and stains across your home. Good stuff. Meet the Ecovac Deebot X2 Omni, a standout hybrid robot cleaner that sets a new standard for vacuuming and mopping in 2024. With its advanced features and improved design, the Deebot X2 Omni surpasses its predecessors, offering an unparalleled cleaning experience. This cutting-edge device combines the convenience of a robot vacuum with the efficiency of a mop, ensuring your floors are impeccably clean. One of the most notable features of the X2 Omni is its ability to seamlessly transition between vacuuming and mopping. The device is equipped with a sophisticated mop lifting mechanism that automatically raises the mop pads by 0.6 inches when carpets are detected, preventing moisture damage. The base station includes a large-capacity 3-liter dust bag designed to contain up to 90 days' worth of debris under normal usage conditions, as highlighted by Ecovac. For an even deeper clean, the X2 Omni incorporates 2 rotating mop discs that spin at 180 rotations per minute. Coupled with a longer 200mm main rubber brush, the device efficiently captures crumbs, hair, and dust on both hard floors and carpets, making it especially beneficial for pet owners. At the heart of the X2 Omni's navigation prowess is a dual laser LiDAR sensor capable of detecting objects up to 10 meters away across a 210-degree field of view. This technology enables the robot to intelligently navigate, avoid obstacles, and map out cleaning paths, creating detailed 3D maps for a customized cleaning experience. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, check out the iRobot Braava Jet M6, the second best robot mop in 2024. This state-of-the-art cleaning companion offers an unparalleled level of convenience and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any modern household. The Braava Jet M6 stands out with its advanced smart mapping technology, which enables it to learn the layout of your home for optimized cleaning paths. The device's intelligent design extends to its user-friendly app, allowing for effortless scheduling and remote control, perfect for setting up cleaning sessions while you're away. Its precision jet spray and mapping capabilities ensure that every corner of your home receives the meticulous attention it deserves. Whether it's a spilled cup of coffee or the daily dust and debris, the Braava Jet M6 handles it all with ease, providing targeted cleaning as needed. What sets the Braava Jet M6 apart is its ability to deliver a pristine cleaning experience, moving in organized rows much like a professional service would, hence earning it the nickname Hotel Treatment among satisfied users. Offering both wet and dry mopping options, the Braava Jet M6 adapts to your cleaning needs with a simple change of pads. Its meticulous approach ensures comprehensive coverage of your floors. Moreover, its Imprint Link technology enables seamless collaboration with Roomba vacuum cleaners from the I, J, or S series, creating a fully automated cleaning routine with just a few app commands. Despite its thorough cleaning process, the Braava Jet M6 battery life is impressive, capable of covering up to 1,000 square feet on a single charge. This efficiency, combined with its methodical cleaning pace, means your floors are always impeccably clean without constant supervision. Another thumbs up! And introducing the pinnacle of home cleaning technology for 2024, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, which stands unrivaled as the best overall robot mop of the year. This cutting-edge device represents the zenith of Roborock's innovation, merging the capabilities of a vacuum and mop into a seamless, highly efficient cleaning machine. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra distinguishes itself through its unparalleled performance in both vacuuming and mopping across various floor types, effortlessly handling a wide range of debris with finesse. What sets the S8 Pro Ultra apart is its revolutionary Rock Dock Ultra Station, which significantly reduces the manual maintenance typically required by robotic cleaners. This feature alone elevates the S8 Pro Ultra, showcasing its ability to autonomously manage debris disposal, mop pad cleansing, and water tank maintenance without human intervention. A standout feature of the S8 Pro Ultra is its intelligent mop pad, designed to automatically retract upon detecting carpet. This allows the device to transition between vacuuming carpets and mopping hard floors without skipping a beat, making it an ideal solution for homes featuring diverse flooring. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's excellence extends to its navigation prowess. Known for setting industry standards, Roborock enhances the S8 Pro Ultra with advanced mapping technologies, enabling rapid and precise floor plan creation in mere minutes, outperforming competitors and ensuring comprehensive coverage of your living space. Moreover, the Rock Dock Ultra Station embodies the future of floor care, integrating auto-emptying capabilities, mop pad washing, and water tank management into a single, effortless process. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.